Hello class, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all fantastic and welcome to your cooking class. Yes, it's important to remember, although it's really cold and we just want to be eating maybe pastries and cakes and soup, which is all good in moderation, it's important that we still don't forget to eat our fruit. Yes, it's important to maintain a healthy diet throughout the whole year. So I'm going to show you now what you will need. So we're going to be making a fruit salad. What you will need is a banana, a pear, and a yogurt. Now if you don't have all of the same ingredients, don't worry. You could use whatever fruit you have. If you don't have yogurt, but you have maybe orange juice, fresh orange juice, that's fine. That's a delicious fruit salad as well. So just be very creative. Okay, so I'll move my camera now so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, remember to wash your hands. I've just washed mine. So wash your hands before you begin, and then let's get started. So I'm going to use about half of this pear. So first of all, carefully cut it in half. Might need a little bit of help. And there we go. So we don't want to eat this middle part, so we're going to take that part out. Carefully take that middle part out. There we go, and then we can start cutting the pear into small little pieces. Now let's count the pieces as we put it into our bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 little pieces of pear. Next, let's open the banana, and I'm only going to use about half of this banana because it's quite big. So I'm just going to eat half now and then the other half later. So let's cut about half again, and then let's start making little slices. So we just go like this. Be very careful if you are doing the cutting. Okay, just one more, and then we can start counting the slices of banana as we put them in. 1, they're very slippery. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what have you noticed then? So the pear had 9 pieces and the banana has 10 slices. So the banana has how many more? Has 1 more. Good job. Next, we are going to open this yogurt. And then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to put the yogurt into our fruit salad. Okay, now let's give this a little mix. Good job. That's a good bit of mixing there. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Now, if you have any nuts, move the camera up now. If you have nuts or oats, or other fruits, dried fruits, for example, that you would like to add, then that's absolutely fine. You can be as creative as you like and add different fruits, nuts, seeds, whatever you fancy. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!